It's always good to win in football. First of all, in our position to take points, and especially 3 points. Wakra, it's another thing, another history, another game, another opponent. Wakra is a good team. They have good players, good coach. He make good job now since they came from second division. It's never easy to play against one team who they lost and with big difference. So I know, and my player knows it will be a strong game, a difficult game, and it will be more difficult for us. The good moment or not good moment to play with them, I don't know. But the most important for us is to be ready and to prepare the game good. The pressure, every time you have the pressure. Sometimes you have the pressure to don't go second division. You have the pressure to stay in the first division. You have the pressure to take the league. You have the pressure. Football is pressure. High level is pressure. We are professional. The pressure, it's our job. I like the pressure. I said to my player, they need to play with pressure. Without pressure, you don't play. It's not the high level. Pressure is good. It gives motivation, and if you want to do any result, any good result, of course, it is with pressure. After you have good and bad pressure. For us, I want good pressure. Same always to focus in ourselves, to continue to improve, because the team improve now, the club improve. But some now, I think the player know me. They know me. They know what I want. I want always more humility, always more serious, more work. The most important for me is to have player. The 11 will start and another they wait. When I always said my decisive player, wait to come in the pitch to make difference and to work and to think about the team, to be strong. And at the end, if you deserve some good result, you will deserve it. But I want we come on the pitch to work and to of course to fight and to deserve what we want.
بالنسبة للمباراة القادمة فأكيد يعني كنحضر لها بواحد الجدية، لأنها تكون مباراة يعني حاسمة بحكم أننا لاعبين مع فريق اللي كيحتل نفس المرتبة معنا. إن شاء الله مازلنا فقط أيام معدودة على المباراة، فغادي نجتهد في التمارين وكل شيء باش نقدم إضافة للنادي إن شاء الله. بكل صراحة يعني أنا مازال ما وصلتش يعني للمستوى اللي خصني نقدم، بحكم أنني يعني جلست واحد الفترة زمنية على التدريب. فإن شاء الله مع التدريب مع المباريات أكيد غنرجع للمستوى اللي يشرفني ويشرف النادي إن شاء الله. أكيد يشكل ضغط، لأن 13 نقطة ما كافياش. فهاد المباراة لا حنا لا نادي الوكرة غتكون مباراة صعبة اللي غتخليك يعني تطمح أكثر باش تحت المراكز متقدمة، بحكم أن حتى الأندية اللي الفوق منا بحال السيلية مثلا ولا الفرق الأخرى ما بعادينش علينا كثير. فهذه مباراة غتكون مصيرية، والفائز فيها أكيد غيكون فرحان.